I really liked that, we touched upon these things not in a very superficial way. And I really liked how you planned your workshop that, every 5-10 minutes there was some engagement for us because we are not used to sitting for 3 hours, not even like for 1 hour, right? Turning and all. So that engagement first, how you started with the, changing A for at and S for dollar. I really like that, and when I'm conducting some workshop for my teachers, I would definitely use that. So I like every 10-15 minutes you had some engagement for us, and actually that made me think every now and then, So that was like okay, like an energizer that we would have for students. So I really like that a lot. Thank.
To what Varsha said, I really like the energizers you've planned. And the first activity, I think that was Greek, if I'm not wrong. That was really nice. I think so. When you planned that initially, I really thought, what is this workshop is going to be about? Because I was being oriented towards more theoretical part, right? But the energizers were really helpful. And you went into a lot of detail in terms of learning disabilities, just dyscalculia, the auditory processing disorder, the visual processing disorder. That was really nice.
So, right from the beginning, thinking from a dyslexic point of view, that was a highlight. And we getting into that breakthrough rooms and discussing. It was not like online. It was like sitting in the classroom with the very next. So it was like a very good experience, and we enjoyed thoroughly. And it's a learning experience.
Sure. Thank you. You have made us go a bit further on that road. Thank you so much. Your session was beautiful, and the activities that you planned was awesome. Thank you so much.
Okay, so basically, I had a very nice time. I was also thinking how 3 hours I'm gonna sit, but it was really nice. For me, also the highlight was like I could step into the shoes of a specially able child. How it would be feeling for a child to be surrounded by better performing ones, and how to deal with it. So it helped me that way, and all the breakers were really good. And towards the end, I actually missed out. I'm really sad for that part. But anyways, I'm really looking forward to your next session.
I did join a little bit late and I'm very sorry about it, but I missed the first session where they're talking about the dollar sign and, I don't know what it was actually. But after that, when I joined, yes, the interaction was really good. And for me, it was really a learning. I did go through the notes which are there for us in the content session of the student dashboard. But, now I'm able to relate so many of those to what you said today. And I liked, and at the end, the breakout room, it was so nice to meet my, the breakout partners, Nisha and Rashmi, and we had a good session there. And thank you so much, Ripma ma'am, for this session. Yeah, it was really, really good. Even I was thinking, how am I going to sit for, 3 to 6? Okay, I joined 3:30, but the time just flew and it was really nice. And as you said, we are learning for ourselves and also to be help, to the society where.
Thank you, ma'am. The session was really knowledgeable. Mothers like me really need all these sessions. And playing with my autistic son and attending your session is really, I was thinking first how to handle it, but it went on very smoothly. And thank you for all the education what you're needing is really helping me personally. Thank you very much. I always enjoy your sessions. I already had enjoyed your earlier session. This session was also too good.